Donut worry, be happy. That's definitely my life motto these days. But today, we're gonna be using Puffy 3D, and I'm gonna show you how to make a donut themed tote that's definitely gonna make you not worry and be happy. So here's what you need to make it. A white canvas tote. You're also going to need the 30 bottle value pack of the Puffy 3D paint, which comes with stencils, as well as 30 bottles of Puffy paint and 2 brushes. You're also going to need 2 of your favorite colors of felt. You're going to need scissors, Aleene's Fabric Fusion Glue. We're going to be using some trim, and then I've got a donut template that you can use as well. All right, let's start making. I've never seen a tote bag look so sweet. I love how easy it was to make this with 3D Puffy paint. All right, that's all I've got for you today. For more easy projects, make sure you follow me at Craftbox Girls, and I've got more fun stuff coming your way. Donut worry, be happy. Bye, guys.